rules to apply simple past tense. What are the rules? In affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, we use subject, then verb, second form, then object. Full stop. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, there is some changes. We use subject plus helping verb. Helping verb is did. Simple past helping verb is did. Did is not used in affirmative sentences of simple past. In simple past affirmative sentences, we don't use helping verb did. We use only the formation subject, verb second form plus object. And in negative sentences, there are some changes. We use subject, then helping verb did, then verb first form. When we apply simple past tense in negative sentences, we change simple past tense. In negative sentences, we use did plus not. Did plus not, then verb first form. When we use did, we remove the second form of the verb and change it into verb's first form. Then we use object. Full stop. In affirmative sentences, in simple past affirmative sentences, we use the formation subject plus verb second form, then object. Always remember, we identify the simple past. If there is verb second form, it is simple past tense. If there is did with not, it is called simple past negative sentence. Always remember, without helping verb negative sentence can't make. So we always use helping verb before not to make negative sentences, and simple past helping verb is did. Remember it. Simple past helping verb is did. Subject, then helping verb did, then not, then verb first form, verb second form change into verb first form in negative sentences, then object. Full stop. The interrogative formation is interrogative formation. First apply helping verb did, then subject, then verb first form, then object question mark. Always use question mark in interrogative sentences at last. Okay. And always remember, when we use did, don't use verb second form with did. Always remember, in negative or interrogative sentences, we change verb second form into verb's first form. I am giving you examples. Look at that carefully. For example, he, this is affirmative. He, subject he, then verb second form, went to Delhi yesterday. He went to Delhi yesterday. How did you identify this? That it is simple past affirmative sentences. See, it is subject, it is verb, it's predicate, and this is time. Okay, so look at your verb. Went it is second form. Went is second form of the verb go. Went is second form of the verb go. So when we find the second form of the verb, we should identify that it is simple past affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, we always use verb second form. To change it into negative, we use the formation this. Subject is he, then helping verb did, then not. To make negative sentences, use always not after helping verb. He did not, then use verb first form. Went is verb second form, its first form is go. He did not go, then predicate go to Delhi, then time. All things will be remain as it is. Only use helping verb to make negative sentences, and change your verb second form to first form. Interrogative, yes or no question. Yes or no question. Yes or no question start from helping verb. First you should apply helping verb. Interrogative sentences formation is did plus subject, then verb first form, then object. Helping verb is did, then your subject he, then verb first form go. Did he go to Delhi yesterday? Question mark. Okay, this is yes or no question. Did he go to Delhi yesterday? Then how will you change a negative sentence to affirmative sentences? Look, see, they did not play football yesterday. They did not play football yesterday. It's negative sentence. I will change it into affirmative. So I'll apply the affirmative formation to change a negative sentences. In affirmative sentences, apply the affirmative formation. Affirmative formation is subject. Subject is your they, then verb second form. Remove the helping verb and not. Only verb second form, then predicate object. Play second form is played. They played football yesterday. They played football yesterday. It's interrogative. How will you change into interrogative this sentence? Very simple. Use the interrogative formation. Interrogative formation, always remember did plus subject plus verb first form then object. First we'll use did, then subject. Subject is the did they, then played first form. Did they play football yesterday? Question mark. Question mark. Okay student, I hope you are understanding it clearly. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.